Hi everyone, here we are going to decorate this food plate using food color. First we are going to use this red color of food color and make beautiful flowers. Make circular drop like this. Now spread it all using your index finger like this and make the petals of the flower, and look, it's done. After this we're going to make more drops inside and we're going to spread it as well and make the second layer of the flower like this, and similar way add more details like this. After this we're going to make the leaves as well, so we are using this green color of food color and draw lines and leaves around it. You can give it shape later using your fingers like this. Add more details like we are doing here. You can make more such decorative pieces. When guests are coming, it will look very beautiful and pretty. You can try this artwork at your home, and look, your leaves are ready and how pretty this is looking. This is edible and you can put your food on the top of it like salads, and this will look very pretty. We're going to make beautiful rose birds using food color. Here we are going to spread this red food color on the top of this white plate and spread it using finger. After this we're going to draw more outlines like this, and look, your flowers are ready. After this we're going to make the leaves using this green color of food color. Spread the food color on the top of it, and then we are going to add more details like we are drawing the sticks like this, and look, it's ready. Now we are going to add details like we are making the leaves as well by putting these green drops and simply spread it using your thumb, and look, it's done. You can also try these type of artwork at your home, and look how pretty this is looking, and it's done. Here we are going to make beautiful food art using these food color on the top of this plate. Here we are going to make a very simple artwork. So make two black sticks like this and put colorful food color around it like we are doing here. Now simply you have to spread the color like this using your index finger, and you will get these beautiful flowers like this. Similar way we are going to spread the orange one as well like this, and look, it's done. You can also make more such flowers around it, like you can use different colors in place of this. Now we are adding these yellow dots at the center of it, and it is looking very beautiful. You can also add details like you can draw leaves around it, but here we are not going to draw the leaves, and look, it's ready and it's looking very pretty. Let's make beautiful food art using food color. Have you seen Morning Glory? We are going to make this beautiful flower today. First we are going to make a stick like this. After this we are going to make the petals of the flower. So spread the food color and we are going to further give it shape using index finger like this. You can make as much flower as you like this. After this we are going to make more flowers. So spread the food color using your index finger. We are also filling it inside using this yellow food color. Add more details like this, and look, your flowers are ready. Let's make their leaves now. So similar way we are going to put the green food color and spread it using a finger and give it a shape of leaves like this. Add more details like we are making vines, and again we are making the flower sticks and all these things around the artwork, and look, your flower is ready. You can make more such artwork. Thank you so much for watching this video.